how to create exam questions on Google Form and how to lock the Google Form so students can't cheat while doing it. There are 2 stages that we have to do. The first stage. We make the questions on Google Form. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type forms.google.com. In this section, type the title of the question. For example, math exam. Here, type the data that must be filled in by the student, for example, full name. Add the next field, for example, grade. Next, we add section 2 by pressing this icon. Type here the title of section 2, for example, choose the correct answer. Then enter the question by clicking this icon. If the exam questions are finished, click Settings and just activate these 3 options. To create the link, click this icon, then click this. Don't activate the URL shortener section. Click Copy. Then the exam link has been successfully copied. Next, in the second stage, we will lock the Google Form that we have created. Open the Secure Exam application on your device. Click the Create QR button. In the exam link section, paste the link that was copied previously. In exam duration, type the duration of the exam. If the exam duration is 1 hour, then type 60, because 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. For example, enter 20 for 20 minutes. Click the Generate button, then the QR code will be generated. Next, we show students this QR code for them to scan directly. If we want to save this QR code image, type here the file name. For example, Math QR. Click the Save button, then the image is saved on our device. To start working on exam questions, students must also use the Secure Exam application to scan the QR code. Then press the Scan QR button.